Here we are, math again, right? So we are doing 2-19 today. Looks very similar to the last couple of days, okay? So we are going to, Mrs. Hagen's going to cross out a few here. Remember that you can also do them if you would like, okay? And cross out this one. And I'm going to cross out this one. That way I leave you with a good amount where I can see that you're understanding it. Plus, we have a little more room to do our writing then, okay? All right, so we will do a couple together like we always do. And we know that when they are horizontal that we want to write them vertically. So we're going to do that first. 45 times 3. Getting pretty good at these, I think, guys, right? Just the 2-digit times 1. So go up first, 3 times 5. I'm not going to do that one because it's pretty easy. And we're going to go over here, get started on this one. Make sure you're lining up the numbers that you're writing, okay? And this one, I'm going to go up first, 9 times 7. Look at your chart if you need to, 9 times 7. Okay, 63. Then this way, 9 times 7 again. We just said it was 63. 63 plus 6. 63 plus 6. Did you get 69? And then I'm going to go here. 9 times 4. 36 plus 6. What's 36 plus 6 is 40. And I'm going to let you do that last step by yourself. So 9 times 2, and then add your plus 4. Don't forget to put your comma in your answer, okay? Rest of these look pretty easy here for you. I see a 2-digit times 2-digit down here, so I'm going to zoom in on that one a little bit. All right, move up a little. So I've got 23. I've got it the up and down way already. I'm going to rewrite it over here just a little bit bigger just because it's a little bit easier to see, right? All right, now I'm ready to do my work. First step, go up 5 times 3. Remember, this is that one where we're going to put that 0, isn't it? Okay, you can do that right now and put your plus sign if you want. So 5 times 3. 15, carry my 1. Now I'm going to go this way. 5 times 2 plus 1 more. And I'm going to write that right there. And then your next steps are going to be going 9 times 3 to do your tens. Okay, so figure that out and then you will get your final answer down here. You should be good on number 9. I am going to cross out number 11. So that gives you extra room to do your story problem. Simon makes an array. We know when we see array that means times. That is 47 units wide and 33 units long. So I have lots of room over here. 47 times 33. And then I'm ready to do my up and over. Okay. So I go up first. 3 times 7, 21. Okay, this is where you need to make sure that you have your line. That didn't show up very good, did it? All right, got my 0 right here, and I've got my line right here, so that I'm ready to do that. Okay, so 3 times 7 was 21. Now I'm going to say 3 times 4. What is 3 times 4? Going this way, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Now you're ready to do your 10 spots. You're going to go 3 times 7. That's going to be your next spot. We already used that too, so you might, if I do 3 times 7 next, it's going to be 21. I'm going to end up with another 2, aren't I? And then you guys finish that one out, okay? Do that last spot. You're going to do 3 times 4 plus 2 and write it right here. Add them up to get your final answer. All right. And then we know that when we're doing an array, it's going to be units. So it's going to be square units for your label. Because we got units here. Do you see the word units? So square units. All right, so when you are ready, I want you to meet me on the remembering side so I can show you what we're going to do there. All right, here we are. Very similar to yesterday's remembering page. All right. So we are going to show you which part we are going to cross out. So we are going to cross out the middle one. Doesn't seem to want to be working. There we go. And then I will say that we are going to cross out number 4. Okay. And I'm going to cross out these 2 middle ones right here. Okay. And I'm going to cross out this one. Okay. So that leaves you with a few to do. Make sure when you get to number 8 that you're using your space right here times 3, right? Writing it the up and down way. All right, and I would, if I was going to do number 5, I think I would do it right over here, guys, because you have more room, okay? Because you got that other problem over there. So 2843 times 7, and then you're ready to solve, okay? On the top, you've just got 2 plus problems. Stretch your thinking is extra credit. There you go. You guys are awesome.